Welcome to the Contacts section, one of the most important parts of your account. This is what streamlines and ties most of your other tools together. This is primarily based around the individual contacts and groups that you have inside of your account. This is where you can associate, gather information about your individual people that your business does work with. Here you will be able to visualize the names, phone numbers, emails, as well as click into individual contacts to find their details. For now, let's do a quick overview of the Contacts section. Whenever you click on Contacts on the left-hand navigation pane, you will land in Smart Lists. This is an individual way to group like-minded contacts together to better organize by tags, by dates, by any information associated to the contact. Those Smart Lists can be created through filters. The next section is Bulk Contacts. Bulk Contacts will show you an overview of actions that are in progress or have been completed from your Smart List. For example, if we select all and we send an email to all in your list, that bulk action will then show up in the Bulk Actions section. For example, if we add a tag, set this as a test action, and tag everyone with a customer, this will be considered a bulk action. We can check the progress by going to Bulk Actions, see that it's complete, and we can view details. We also have additional show stats, and we can see that a total of 2 were processed with a 0% error rate. We can then go to the Restore section, which would show details whenever a contact is deleted, such as in a Smart List, going to a contact, and clicking on Delete Contact. You can then confirm that you want to delete the contact, and in the case of an accidental deletion of a contact, you can go to Restore and restore that contact here. Tasks can be created using automations or manually from within the contact, individual contacts, and even inside the Conversations pane. Inside of the Contact section, you can go to a task, click on New Task, add a title, a description, assign it to an individual person, find a due date, select the contact that this task is associated to, and save. This will then show up on that individual assignee's account to be due in a certain amount of time. You can assign automations to alert individual contacts or your team members when tasks are due. Once they are complete, you can go to the Status section and mark as complete. The next section is Companies. You have the ability to go in and add a company by typing in the company name and all associated details. Once you're happy with the company name, you can then add company, and this company can be found by going to the Contact section, clicking on Company, and searching for a company. You can then associate your contacts to that company. You will also be able to associate individual company names with more than one contact. Next, you have Manage Smart Lists. Smart Lists are a powerful way to organize the contacts in your account. When we go back to Smart Lists, the first section that we land in when we click on Contacts, we can go to Filters, Filter by Tag, choose our tag that we want to filter by, Apply, and we'll see this Save button that says Save as Smart List. When we save that, this will then have created a Smart List in our account. We can then click on Manage Smart List and see that the customer Smart List that we just created is inside the account. We then have the ability to copy the Smart List, share the Smart List, edit it, and delete it. The Share Smart List button allows it to share with other users inside of your account. Whenever you create a Smart List, it will only be visible by you. You can then click on Share and make it a global list where everyone in the account can see the Smart List. The last section inside of Contacts is the Settings section. This will actually take us to the Custom Fields section. There are more details in the Custom Fields video.